Welcome to our second video. In our first video, we looked at how to set up your environment ready for analysis, and we stopped at the section whereby we were looking at how to load. Now we are going to look at, once you've loaded your packages, you need to update them periodically. Maybe once in a month is a good practice. If you have time, you can update them maybe weekly, because at the end of every week we have new updates. So here we want to look at how to update all installed packages. So these packages, we use them to manipulate our data, to visualize our data, and they make our work easier. How do you update your packages? You use the function update. There is update.packages. The function update.packages, when you highlight this function and you run it, you'll see that it is updating all the packages that have been installed in our R Studio. So the packages is being updated as we continue. There's also, you can ask for help. How do you ask for help? Because you can't master all these packages. You can't master all these packages, but R is here to support you when you get stuck. You use a question. There are two ways. There's one, you use a question mark. You use a question mark to ask for help, and I can say ggplot. Maybe I don't know anything about ggplot, so I'll ask ggplot2, then I execute. On our plot and others window, you can see there's here something about ggplot. It will tell us we use ggplot to create a static data visualization using the grammar of graphics. Then it will go a step further and give us description about ggplot. Then when you scroll down, you will see the authors, those people who developed, the main author who developed the ggplot, and other collaborators who have also been listed there. Then it will take you to a useful link about ggplot, tidyverse, ggplot. So we can click on one and you'll see it will open for you your browser, where you'll have listed everything that you can do in ggplot. It starts with an overview about ggplot, the process of installation that we've done. It will also give you the cheat sheet of data visualization of the things that you want to do with ggplot. It will also tell you something to do with the usage. It has had usage, and it will give you an example of how to perform some of the visualization. So here you start with the function itself, ggplot, then the data, then the aesthetic. So these are the variables that are listed here. Then you want the color to be equal to class. Then what are you drawing? The geometry is what do you want to visualize? And here we want to do plots. So you can see a plot that have been visualized using ggplot. In our y-axis, we have a variable by the name hwy. In our x-axis, there's a variable displ, and then the classes are here. So different colors represent different classes. We're going to look at data visualization later on. So that's step one of seeking help. Step two, you come to plots and other windows. Plots and other windows. You come here and type. Maybe a package of interest can be dplayer. We have a dplayer, and dplayer help us to manipulate data then you press enter. And you can see here, we have a declare package, a grammar of data manipulation. Then it will tell you a little bit about the declare package, a description about declare package, the author. Then also it will take you to the relevant links. Then you click on the links. When you click on this link, take you to different links. Then when you click on the link, you should be able, when you click on the link, you should be able to see those packages, how they're being used or how we can use them. Okay, so I think that should be it for this video. The next video, we are going to look at how do you import? How do you import and export data from different files? Thank you for listening.